Welcome back. I hope you had a lot of fun learning about shapes. And now we are going to use our hands and our crayons and our pencils, and we are going to draw some shapes together. I like to take my paper and I like to fold it into 4 pieces. You can fold it or you can draw. I like to fold it like this. I do it one way where I touch the 2 sides together just like this. I put my finger right in the middle. My other hand's right there, and I hold and pinch it right here on the bottom, and then I flip it. Then I crease it really well. Now, I know this is not always easy, so if you try it and you think it didn't work right, take a deep belly breath, let it out, and you can choose to try again, or you can choose just to draw a line down the middle. The reason I like to separate my page into different pieces is because that way I can keep one drawing on one side and one drawing on the other side. So now we are going to take our paper with the line that you either drew or folded down the middle. And if you're still doing that, make sure you push pause and then start when you're ready. I am going to take my pencil and I am going to draw what I remember about a square. What was that about squares? That's right, they have 4 sides. And I think I made all of those sides out of crayons, which means they were all the same length. Push pause, draw your picture, and then come and check. Does your square look close or similar to my square? I am going to draw a straight edge, as straight as I can, with my very good pencil grip here. Pincher, pincher. Then I am going to draw another edge. Should I stop? No, because it needs to be the same length. There it is. That looks pretty close to me, as close as I can get it without a ruler. I'm going to draw it up. I don't see any slinty, slanty corners or not 90-degree corners. And then I'm going to draw over. This is our square. We spell square with a S. And that always is followed by a U. A-R-E. Square. The next shape we will draw is a rectangle. Now, a rectangle was similar to a square because it also had 4 sides, but they did not all have to be the same length. Push pause, draw your rectangle, and then come back and check. Is it similar to my rectangle? I am going to draw a rectangle with one long side, a very teeny tiny side, and a long skinny side. So this looks like a French fry. I drew a French fry rectangle. Does it still have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. It looks pretty close to me. Did your rectangle look like this? Did your rectangle look like this? Is that a rectangle, even though it's balancing on its tippy vertex? Yes, it still is a rectangle. We spell the word rectangle R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Now I split my paper in half. Now I can go to the other side. And this time I am going to draw a hexagon. Hex means, I think I told you in the last video, 6. Push pause, draw a hexagon, and come back and check to see if it's the same. Does your hexagon look like that? Does your hexagon look like that? Do they both have 6 sides and are they straight? Yes, they are both hexagons. H, E, X, A, G, O, N. Now you get to choose. You can choose to draw a circle or a trapezoid. Push pause, come back, and see if you drew what I drew. Did you draw a trapezoid too? Cool! If you drew a circle, I bet it looks awesome. I just wanted to remind you that trapezoids have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But they do not have 90-degree angles or square-like angles or rectangle-like angles. Trapezoids have some more slanty angles you can see right here. This one has one good one, but some slanty angles. We call those not 90 degrees. I hope you had fun drawing.